Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the wonderful world of Waikato sheds. As you can see, I'm joined by Jason here.
G'day Sean.
So behind us here, what do we have, Jace?
We have something amazing today. We've finished this one off. Shout out to Mark, Mike and Jack who've been building this one. We've got a consent-free 30 square metre garage and it looks fantastic. We've got it 6 metres wide across the front, 5 metres deep. Nice 4.8 metre sectional door in here. Garrador, Waikato door specialists. You know it, we love them. Now, all the framing for this shed, Steelhaus. Excellent way to do the garages, habitables and that. So cheers to Steve, Christian, Michaela. You guys done a great job on that one. Now, who did the cladding on this shed?
So a little bit different here, guys. We went with Roofing Industries to supply the cladding here. As you can see, still very similar. Colorsteel again. A nice ebony colour with corrugate on the walls. And what I also like is you can see here we've got a little bit of extra eaves, and then underneath we've also actually lined it with more corrugate. Still the same corrugate with black ebony.
Yeah, nice 600 eaves, so they've done a really good job on these and that. So, you know, really tasteful, classy looking shed. Around this side we've got our favourite Metalcraft PA door. So, you know, we do love Roofing Industries, but we still love Metalcraft, and they got the door for us over here. Now, why don't we go around in the sun and check out what we got behind? Should we make it happen? So the cool thing is, this shed, as I said, didn't need a consent. So we've done everything to spec, engineered plans, PS1, but there were no delays in the council and the client avoided the council fees. A1 Bobcats did the slab. You can see how it's been built up at the end there because the section's obviously on a little bit of a lean. Mark's done a great job with the gutter, 125 box, going into the coloured downpipes as well. Then a nice little city glass window there in the back.
If you guys are really keen to check out what City Glass do, make sure you keep watching and subscribing to our channel, because soon we'll be going doing some factory tours and letting you know exactly how these beauty joinery pieces are made.
We've shown you how we've been building this shed, we've shown you the finished product. If you're keen on one of these, just give us a call, come in and see us. Dan and Bronick, they'll be able to help you out and show you what you can do without having to worry about the council. Awesome guys, like, share, subscribe and have a great day.